Taylor Falls. This is where we will be taking our boat tour. It took us about a little over an hour to get here, and I think that the boat tour is about 80 minutes. So come on guys, let's walk down to the dock and get on our boat.
Alexis? So I got two different ones in here, so total of 4?
Yep.
All right, welcome aboard.
Yep, thank you.
Thank you.
Can we get to the top level? Or we sit down here and stand out here? I know, I'm turning around. So we're trying to go above on top so we can have a better view. There are drinks being served on here. Is there 3 seats anywhere? 3 seats right here.
No, you can take it. Yep.
There was already 3 seats. Oh, yeah. We made it aboard. It is very crowded on here. When I say crowded, it's really crowded. I don't see anyone with mask on. I do have my mask. But this is really close. I'm not sure what the regulations are of being this close. I know that they lifted their mask mandate, and maybe that's why.
¿Verdad que sí? ¿No vinieron con instrucciones en este tipo de stairs or you want to do those?
We're pulling away from the dock. They're actually backing up so we can turn around to start our tour. We noticed some people back on the cliff here. That was pretty interesting. So I'm guessing that they walked through, kind of hiked through the woods to make it over to the cliff.
Once again,
Pretty
welcome aboard
scary
the
thing.
Taylor Falls Princess. If you're listening a moment ago and coming up is the most significant rock formation on your trip today. It's a large stone cross which the St. Croix River received its name. Now you look ahead of the boat to the left-hand Wisconsin shoreline to the bare vertical cliff with little to no vegetation just after the bay. You'll see an extreme side view of the large stone cross. About 20 feet up from the water, you'll see the bottom notch of the cross. 10 feet up from there are the left and right cross arms, and the top of the cliff is the top of the cross. Keep in mind you're looking at it from extreme side view, and the cross is formed by projection of the cliff. It seems that Father Hennepin and Daniel Duluth had paddled up the Mississippi River.
Don't let me walk on you tonight. Don't let me walk on
Tonight, you,
you. Don't let me walk on you. Tonight, you. Don't let me walk on you. Tonight, you. Don't let me walk on you. Tonight, you. Don't let me walk on you. Tonight. Don't let me walk on
Darius, what did you think about the boat tour?
It was fun.
Was fun? What was the best part about it?
Downstairs,
What was downstairs?
a different view.
Nice, nice. So he liked the view. Alexis and Paris, did you like the boat tour? What was the best part about it? The what? Oh, the weather, the breeze, the trees, the greenery, they said. I really loved everything about it. It was peaceful. You could just relax. And now we're under a bridge here. We walked down here to check this out. This is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. The lookout points here are beautiful. We did see some places up at the top of the hills where people were looking over. That's kind of scary, and a lot of people sitting on the rocks on the edge. Therefore, I don't think we would have enough time to do that today, as the sun is going down and we have other plans. Again, this is day 3 of excitement here in Minnesota. I think the girls are doing pictures. I would like them to be safe. As my girls are taking photographs of this beautiful view, I'm sweating. It is humid out here. That's one thing about Minnesota, is that it's humid. I'm sorry, I'm distracted because my daughter is sitting up there and for pictures, and there's a long fall down, so I'm just paying attention to that first. But we enjoyed ourselves. It's hot, and I'm actually ready just to get a drink and relax and kind of reflect on what we saw today, what we've done today, and it's just very, very enjoyable. Tomorrow we will be going to Mall America, the biggest mall in the world. This is the end of our event here today, and once again, I'm distracted. Now my son's up there, and for a fact he has fallen many feet before. So, all right guys,